Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Hi guys, this is Shraddha and you're listening to Radio The Hottie where the entertainment gets hotter, hotter, hotter.
Good morning, Bay. आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वलकम,
Namaskara.
खुशामदीद,
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
Vegandariki Vandanamu.
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेंद्र।
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद.
मोला अली बदर बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंत्रों को बोलेंगे नी सांबुला बदजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं सिर्फ आलतू बाबा।
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और Good Morning Bay that's going to make your Wednesday a little more wonderful and a little more mastani bandajani.
True that, Badajan. Of course, without any further ado, let's jump into our segment, which is the drive update, I should say. लेकिन आजकल को कोविड शेल्टर इन प्लेस पे कुछ ड्राइव अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है ठीक तरह से, लेकिन फिर भी हो रही है। Let's go see what's happening on the roads with रास्ते का हाल एकदम टोटल सस्ते में।
It's time for the Bandu Traffic Update. Call us from wherever you are at 408 912 2479.
That's Badajan. If at all I missed any updates for you guys, do give us a call here and share with us. Doesn't matter where it is, whichever part of the Bay Area, can give us a call and give an update there. Well, if you look at it, it's still the COVID situation on the roads. Matlab, still traffic is not as heavy as what it was BC, that is before COVID. And that is pretty much January tak to tha, Badajan. Until January, February, we had those traffic things, and late February started seeing those things. Where March, we went into the shutdown. My God, 121 days, Faltu Rani, I just can't imagine we're counting the days. But it's happening. Now, speaking about freeways, are of course free right now. Like in back roads, like I'm talking about the expressways and all, a little bit kind of congested right now. There's a hazard on Lawrence Expressway, southbound, sorry, north of, actually, let me put it this way, it's not Lawrence Expressway, but it's actually southbound. So anything beyond, guys know, beyond like El Camino is south is called North Lawrence Expressway, right? So that's one thing which is at the right shoulder is blocked over there, expert delays on that. And there also is a report of a little bit of an accident on 280, actually 17 southbound, south of 280. So in the intersection mein thoda hai, but actually it's not affecting the traffic. So if you look at it, no impact on the flow of traffic as such. So pretty much good everywhere. Many of you actually working from home, you guys do realize we shared one yesterday that the governor had given new directives for us to be staying home, right? And it was supposed to be implemented by the county and everything, so which already is happening right now. Many businesses are shut down, going back into shutdown for another couple of weeks,
Right.
is what we have heard, but probably might even just tentatively a couple of weeks, but might even go beyond what they're saying if at all it doesn't come down. The cases are increasing right now, Manojam. But right now, that was a traffic update, and let's go into a Ganya Kira for you guys, which says, okay, it doesn't matter how tough things situations are. Aram say, just think about it and pay attention to it, and then baki sab rap pe chhod dijiyega, right? You just enjoy life the way it is.
सन की थ्योरी को याद कर अरे थॉमस एडिसन की थ्योरी को याद कर बल्ब जगा दिमाग का टाइम ना बर्बाद कर थॉमस एडिसन की थ्योरी को याद कर बल्ब जगा दिमाग का टाइम ना बर्बाद कर ये फार्मूला भाई करता जा तू ट्राई ये फार्मूला भाई करता जा तू ट्राई बी पॉजिटिव टूटे दिल के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के फिकर भुला के डांस कर बाकी रप्पे छोड़ दे
That's right, Badajan. Just get rid of all your problems and just leave it to God or whatever central force you think about and enjoy and dance away, Badajan. Enjoy your moment.
भुला के डांस कर बाकी रप्पे छोड़ दे देसी या फिर डांस कर बाकी रप्पे छोड़ दे
सीधी सी
फोन से किस्मत को कॉल कर अरे ग्राम बल के फोन से किस्मत को कॉल कर मैं कभी ना हारूंगा काट दे ये बोल कर हौसला दिखा दे कहते हैं इरादे हौसला दिखा दे कहते हैं इरादे बी पॉजिटिव आंसू सारे बकेट में निचोड़ के बकेट में निचोड़ के बकेट में निचोड़ के फिकर भुला के डांस कर बाकी रप्पे छोड़ दे
Yeah, some of the poetry in these songs are so awesome, right? At the same time, you wonder what is the meaning of some of those lyrics, right?
ग्राम्बल के फोन
Hey,
से
be
किस्मत को
positive
कॉल
आंसू को बकेट में निचोड़ के.
yeah
Be positive आंसू को बकेट में निचोड़ के.
yeah
I tell you, man, sometimes Kumar, na, his words also not very interesting.
no man it's not so bad.
So you're saying the be positive is Asu? Or when you cry, oh, be positive, cry.
Be positive, and then he doesn't know how to write like Amitabh Bhattacharya. That's
You're
the
saying
only
that the way Tanish Bakshi has tuned it has wrong because the words
No.
be positive, Asu, Vasu. So be positive, so you full stop there, right?
See, they make the music first, they make the scratch first, उसके बाद lyrics
Oh
लिखते हैं
my
उसके लिए.
God, Faltwani. So you're saying lyrics writing is bad, right?
Well, no, not
Be positive, Asu, Vasu, bucket में नहीं छोड़ के.
yeah.
Okay, Bharjan, let's not worry
Yeah,
about it.
random.
हम
मैं-
सब रब पे छोड़ के आगे बढ़ते
वो
हैं
बोलता
because
है ग्रैम्बल के फोन से किस्मत को कॉल कर मैं कभी ना हारूंगा बोल के ये काट दे it seems.
well, why should you wait for the anyway, Father, right now I'll tell you what. No matter how positive you think about stuff, the news always is going to dampen your spirits for sure.
No.
Not today, good news. Oh my goodness, Balajan, today we have some good news for you guys. On finally, don't tell me, did Trump actually lose or did he withdraw his thing?
No bad.
No?
No, it's no, he didn't. Withdraw his nomination?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? No.
Hey,
freaking way.
see, please, we all need hope.
Yeah, I know.
Whether it's going to happen or not,
we
we
do,
don't know.
but you know, Altibaba, there's something called wishful thinking.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
I don't think that's happening very soon.
Okay, but let's see what's happening with the news at least for now. And this is the news headlines. You can catch up in detail on our news blog, MediaMahima.com.
Well, one of the biggest news items that came out yesterday, Banujan, is that the Trump administration dropped restrictions on online-only instruction for foreign students. We didn't include it in our headlines for this morning because we shared that yesterday on the Media Mahima blog, so you can actually read up on that story in detail over there. But let's tell you about the rest of the headlines. As the pandemic worsens, Miami Beach visitors are partying. But
What?
yeah, visitors are partying, but residents are mostly complying. The Trump pick won the nomination in Alabama, won the Republican nomination as 3 U.S. states chose their Senate candidates.
All right, and that guy's his manifesto, whatever you call it, right? Not manifesto. His particular promise was to keep the guns.
Yeah, and all that
man.
he has, that you know who this was? This was the person who ran against Jeff Sessions, and because Jeff Sessions recused himself from the Mueller probe, obviously Donald Trump went after him, totally deriding him, and also supporting his right the night before the election, that is day before yesterday night. A robocall went out in Trump's voice saying that Sessions is an absolute loser, almost to that effect.
That robocall was really. It was like, he literally called him a loser already.
Yeah. Well, Trump's tweet support for Goya Foods amid a boycott campaign. What is that about? We'll talk in a little bit. US Paycheck Protection has hit some of its mark but has missed the most vulnerable businesses. Deep fakes have been used to attack an activist couple, showing a new disinformation frontier. And when we say deep fakes, Munajan, these are manipulated videos. For those of you who don't know, they'll have the faces morphed, they'll have the photographs morphed. So there are deep fake videos that are coming out showing that somebody is doing something terrible. So this is an activist couple. We'll talk about that. It's a Reuters exclusive report. Moderna shares have jumped up on data from early coronavirus vaccine trials. Walmart is mandating customers across the United States now wear masks. The armed forces get powers to fast-track capital procurements worth rupees 300 crores in India. And India is being very strict with China and saying honor the border and make sure that you follow all the rules to make sure that there's going to be no more conflict.
Well, actually, if you look at it, it's a positive note for India because one of the headlines over here is the fact that India has posted a trade surplus for a change after 18 years. As the coronavirus imports, all that is impacted right now. So, in a way, it's a good thing.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's go on over. Let's talk about the coronavirus. The US set another single-day record for coronavirus cases, recording almost 67,000 new cases yesterday. It's just another indication that infection rates aren't just persisting, they are accelerating. Worldwide, coronavirus cases have soared by more than 1 million in just 5 days. As a result of rising cases, the borders between the US and its two closest neighbors, Mexico and Canada, will now remain closed for non-essential travel through at least late August.
See, exactly what Trump wanted. See, I'm telling you, man, he's like supreme leader. He has his, he can actually, he's like a prophet. He wanted to close borders, the borders are closed.
You don't know the power of the spoken word, Alto Baba. Please don't keep calling him the supreme leader.
Well, he
we
is
don't
supreme leader.
want an authoritarian regime at
Hey,
any cost.
The best part
in
of
the
the best part of authoritarian regime is falsity. It doesn't matter what you want.
Exactly. So we don't want that. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi says she's also willing to delay August congressional races to get another relief bill in the can.
Oh, please do. I really need that.
Yes, and there is some hopeful news on the medical front though. The COVID-19 vaccine being developed by the drug maker, that company Moderna that I talked about, has been found to induce immune response in all the volunteers who got it in a phase 1 study.
What does that mean when you say immune response? Is it a positive thing? Is it like something to worry about?
Yeah, let me tell you what exactly it does. The COVID-19 vaccine that Moderna produces produced high levels of virus-killing antibodies, bolstering hopes the shot could prove effective in later stages of testing. And that's why Moderna's share jumped up almost 11%.
Yeah.
And of course, I can tell you that Moderna is saying that they're on track to be able to deliver 500 million doses or more per year in 2021.
No, it doesn't mean you got to drop all the other shares of Apple and jump to Moderna, but then don't take our word for it. Just go to our website. We provide links for you guys to do more research about the company and then you go invest in it.
Well, Wall Street analysts said that data from 45 healthy trial volunteers suggested the vaccine could protect against the infection by the virus and generate blockbuster sales if it proves to work in larger trials.
I don't mean to be skeptic, but 45 is still a small number, dude.
Yeah. And then, there was just a test subject, Alto Baba. After that, they need to figure out everything else. The early stage trial data, however, is not a definite conclusion, like Alto said, that the shot could work in humans. So we could bring you more updates right here on Good Morning Bay with regard to that as well, Bunjan. In the meanwhile, what is the CDC saying? Hospitals now have to send their data on the coronavirus patients to the Trump administration, apparently, instead of the CDC.
What?
Yes.
So they can manipulate the numbers.
Yes.
I'm telling you, man.
This is what China did, Bandujan.
Supreme leader.
Oh my God.
See, the thing is, why the CDC was on the watchdog. I would say like a checks and balance. But let me tell you one thing. Our country is based on checks and balances. When I say our country, democracy, right? Whether we are hailing from India or here in America, we need checks and balances. And CDC was a checks and balance situation there.
It was supposed to be an independent body.
Correct. And the Trump administration is the one which is, which can manipulate the thing based on political views. Right, so we need to have that, but I don't know. Has it already been passed, or can somebody stop it?
Michael Caputo, the Department of Health and Human Services head, confirmed the change, saying that CDC's system for gathering hospital data is inadequate, and the administration will implement a quote new, faster, and complete data system unquote that the CDC will participate in but no longer control. President Trump and CDC officials have been criticizing each other for months over the respective coronavirus responses. This week, 4 former CDC directors blasted the administration's efforts to disregard and politicize guidelines from the agency.
A quick perspective of Bandhu. CDC is the ones who actually are concerned about your health.
Yeah.
The Trump administration is concerned about Trump's presidency. So why I say that is because you remember the people who said not to wear masks. I don't want to wear mask anymore. In an Indian accent, I said. But it was Trump actually who was Trump administration advised. And CDC asked us to wear masks, and that's what we were able to control for some time. right?
Well, we know that November is fast approaching, Manajan, and we really have to turn out at the polls and make sure that there is change. Because another round of primary elections is setting the stage for more key races in November. Former Attorney General Jeff Sessions lost his U.S. Senate GOP primary runoff to former Auburn University football coach Tommy Tuberville, pronounced Tuberville for those of you who don't know about him, non-football fans. This one exactly went the president's way. Trump had endorsed Tuberville and spoken out against his one-time ally's candidacy. Meanwhile, the president's former chief physician, Dr. Ronnie Jackson, won his Republican runoff for a U.S. House seat in Texas as well. In Maine, Democrats chose State House Speaker Sarah Gideon to try to unseat Republican Senator Susan Collins in November. And of course, let's tell you that there is some breaking news that's coming out with, well, it actually came out yesterday, Banjan. One of the Supreme Court justices, RBG, our favorite, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, has been hospitalized again for another infection, sending her supreme well wishes because we cannot afford to lose another level-headed, I will not say a left or a Democrat justice on the Supreme Court, but a level-headed justice at the Supreme Court. So
I don't know about level-headed. Everybody's level-headed, but they do have biases.
yeah.
Mayford also is off the bench, so you got to have a skewed Supreme Court bench, which is more conservative leaning.
Right.
That's what you're concerned about.
Yeah, the Paycheck Protection Program appears to have thrown a critical safety net under U.S. middle and upper middle wage jobs, but it faltered when it comes to the lower paying positions and the industries hit hardest by the coronavirus pandemic, according to a Reuters analysis of the loan details. You'll find these details on MediaMahima.com, and also news from India as to how India has posted its first trade surplus in 18 years. You can go find out at MediaMahima.com. That's all we have for you on this morning's Good Morning Bay. We'll be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
टाइम ना बर्बाद कर ये फार्मूला भाई करता जा तू ट्राई ये फार्मूला भाई करता जा तू ट्राई बी पॉजिटिव टूटे दिल के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के पुर्जे पुर्जे जोड़ के फिकर भुला के डांस कर बाकी रप्पे छोड़ दे